Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. My name is Adeen Asad and welcome to IELTS Vlogs with Adeen Asad. And today we have a really famous person. Famous?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, famous, really famous person who's an IELTS trainer and he gives online classes if you want for IELTS. अंग्रेजी पढ़नी है ना, ऑस्ट्रेलिया भी जाना है, ते नाल मेरा कनाडा भी जाना है, इन्ना कुल सीख.
Okay, Adeel, yes, you're gonna make this vlog in English. Welcome guys, this is Asad Yaqub and I'm with Adeen Asad today and we're going to make a fresh vlog on IELTS speaking. In this vlog, Adeen Asad, who is my daughter, I've got only one daughter, so Adeen Asad is going to be the candidate and I'm going to be IELTS trainer and I'm going to ask her some questions and she's going to reply.
Yes.
This is IELTS speaking part 1 where you got to answer using like 4-5 sentences or more than that, okay? So I'll ask Adeen some questions. The first thing is you need to understand the question carefully, right Adeen?
Yes.
First you need to understand the question. After that you got to answer the question directly in the first sentence and then after, because you can add some detail, right? So let's see how she answers and how I ask all the questions.
Okay.
Are you ready to start?
Yes.
Alright, IELTS examiner, IELTS candidate. What's your name?
My name is Adeen Asad.
You got to look there and you got to talk loud and clear. Okay. Well, what do you do in your free time?
Sometimes I do cycling in my free time and usually I read books in my free time because books give you a really nice lesson and they're really nice and they take you in their own world.
Okay, now she gave a nice answer, but she was trying to take the topic away. If she would have spoken more about books only, it could be out of the scope of the question. So be careful. The question is, what do you do in your free time? Whatever you say, you got to link it with the question.
Okay.
Now, my next question is, what is your favorite color and why?
My favorite color is blue because blue is the color of the sky and I like the sky.
Okay, fantastic answer. She spoke 3 straight sentences. The question was, what is your favorite color? She said, my favorite color is blue. It's the color of sky and I like this color and all that. So this is how you can answer in part 1. Okay. Let me ask her some more questions. Tell me about your hometown.
My hometown is in Pakistan, Lahore, and my colony is Nishad colony. And shall I get the full address?
Yeah, this is the wrong answer. Listen, when the question is about hometown, you got to start with the name of your hometown and then you can explain about that. And don't talk about the locality where you live in. That's going to be the wrong answer. Don't even talk about the country. I mean, it's understood you're giving your IELTS test in the same country, right? So I asked the same question again and you got to start your answer directly. Tell me about your hometown.
My hometown is in Lahore and
oh, she's lost her mind. So sometimes this happens. You don't know how to answer. You don't know what to say. For that, it's a good idea to start with general sentences about your hometown. Now, whether hometown is Lahore or it is New Delhi or it is Dhaka or it is a city of Nepal or somewhere in Sri Lanka or Saudi Arabia, I mean, there are certain sentences which are same for all the hometowns. For example, if I say, my hometown is, it's a modern city and it's a very beautiful city. All the modern facilities are available in my hometown. Now you can put any hometown over there, right Adeen? So you need to come up with a general talk. If you're not coming up, if you don't have any ideas about specific thing, then it's a good idea to come up with a general talk.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Now let's just go on. I'm going to change the topic and she's going to answer.
Okay.
I hope you must be enjoying this vlog. Adeen, don't be confused.
Okay.
Yeah, Adeen can speak very good Punjabi as well. Adeen, will you speak a little Punjabi so that they know you speak?
मैं कितनी पंजाबी बोलना मैं बोली सी
किन्नी के पंजाबी बोल लेनी है तू है?
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪੂਰੀ ਆਂਦੀ ਹੈ
कुछ बोल के दिखा फिर 10 ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ
ਆਈਲੈਟਸ ਪਤਾ ਬੜਾ ਮੁਸ਼ਕਿਲ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਨਾ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਜਾਣਾ ਵਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਦੁਆ ਕਰਿਓ
ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਦੀ ਤੂੰ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਬੋਲਦੀ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਛੱਡ ਤੂੰ ਤੇ ਲੁਧਿਆਣੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀੜੇ ਦੀ ਖੈਰ ਹੈ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ okay all right so let's just go on. My next question, it's going to be about television. How often do you watch television?
Well, I watch television quite often, every day, once in a day for 1 or 2 hours.
What type of programs do you like?
I like artistic programs because I like artistic work, and mostly I watch cartoons.
Okay, see, this is a very good answer for speaking part 1. I mean, you got to give a natural answer, whatever you like. Now, if I ask you the same question, your answer would be different. Okay. Do you think children should watch TV?
In my opinion, that the children shouldn't watch TV really often because it's really dangerous for their eyes and overall, because it has rays in its system and that goes inside, and that is really harmful.
Now, see that I asked the question, do you think children should watch TV? Now, when I said, do you think children should watch TV, she came to know it's a question about opinion. So in part 1, whenever they ask you a question, you should know immediately whether the question is about opinion or it's going to be a general question where I got to give a general answer. It's very, very important. And Adeen started very well. She said, in my opinion, children should or should not watch TV. Okay, now let's go on. Adeen, again, it's child speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you some more questions. How often do you play sports or any games?
Not quite often because I don't like sports really much, but I play sports once in a week or twice.
Okay, fantastic answer, to the point, and believe me, I didn't give her any handout to practice from there. I'm naturally asking her questions, and these are the natural answers she's providing. Okay. Yes, come on. So, I got another question to ask. Now, my next question is, do you listen to music?
Of course I listen to music. I listen to
1 minute. Now, see that she is speaking enthusiastically. In IELTS speaking, enthusiasm is very, very important. Now, my question was, do you listen to music? And she said, of course I listen to music. This shows excitement. In IELTS speaking, you should show some excitement. You should show some enthusiasm. That is very, very important. So again, do you listen to music?
एक मिनट आज पता है गर्मी बड़ी है इन्हां नूं भी बड़ा पसीना आंदा
Okay, so what can we do? But we have to make the vlog, okay? So Adeen, let's please.
Yes, what was your question?
My question is, do you listen to music?
Of course I listen to music. I listen to music quite oftenly because you know,
Oftenly is wrong word. Quite often.
quite often, and the kind of music I like is like fast songs, you know, sad songs aren't good.
What is your favorite time to listen to music?
My favorite time to listen to music is when I get some happy news, some good news, and then I have a mood to listen to songs. Even my tongue sings songs.
Alright, and that is ਅੱਠ band ਆ ਜਾਊਗਾ, ਆਸਾਨੀ ਨਾਲ ਆ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਅੱਠ band, okay? It's very clever. So that's all. This is how you got to listen to questions, understand the questions, and cheerfully and excitedly you got to answer the questions. Adeen, ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸੋਗੇ ਆਨਲਾਈਨ ਕਲਾਸਾਂ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਚ?
हाँ,
पंजाबी च दस दियो।
हारा इन्ना दा नंबर WhatsApp
हारा इन्ना दा नंबर
WhatsApp ਦਾ ਨੰਬਰ ਆ WhatsApp ਤੇ ਨਾ ਬੜੀ ਅਲੱਗ ਕਿਸਮ ਦੀ ਚੈਟਿੰਗ ਤੇ ਗੱਲਬਾਤਾਂ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਇਸ ਵਜ੍ਹਾ ਤੋਂ ਪਰ ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਨਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਇੰਟਰਨੈਟ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਪਊਗੀ
Okay. Online classes, so you got the number, you can contact me on that. And Abby, does your ਸਾਡੇ channel ਨੂੰ subscribe ਕਰੋ ਤੇ
ਸਾਡੇ ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਲਾਲ ਰੰਗ ਦਾ ਬਟਨ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਨਾ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਦਬਾ ਦਿਓ ਫਿਰ ਬੈਲ ਆਈਕਨ ਆਊਗੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਦਬਾ ਦਿਓ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਪਹੁੰਚੂਗਾ
ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹੋਗੇ ਜੀ ਮੈਂ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਵਿਊਅਰ ਆ ਜਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਵੈਰੀ ਮਚ ਥੈਂਕਸ ਫॉर ਵਾਚਿੰਗ ਦਿਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਲੌਗ ਐਂਡ Adeen, I'm thankful to you. That's very, very good. She was a very good IELTS candidate. Thank you very much. I'll make more vlogs with Adeen Asad as well. Thank you. Take care.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.